Hello everyone, this is Botany Park in Williams Lake. It's nice here during summer, lots of flowers. Now, not yet because just starting, they're cleaning the ground. And it's still a little bit cold. It's kind of too, here. If you want to relax, it's a quiet place. Have some chair that the person can sit. Oh, I will sit for a while. Yeah, this is Williams Lake, BC Botany Park. During summer, they held a concert here during Canada Day. Yeah, this is a nice quiet place. Kids playing here. And during summer sometimes have a live band held here. This is Botany Park, Williams Lake, BC, Canada. Yeah, it's, as I said, it's a quiet place. This town is, cost of living here is not bad compared to Vancouver. In Vancouver, because it's a big city, everything is expensive. It's windy today, which is good. At least fresh air. Yeah, it's nice to relax. Take a walk, have some fresh air. Because during winter you can't open your window because it's cold. So at least during summer you can open your window in your house and have some fresh air. Yeah, this is the town of Williams Lake, BC, British Columbia, Canada. It's nice here. Have some picnic table because some families, they bring their kids and take a walk here, or just a little picnic. That's why I guess they put a picnic table. They put a picnic table in chair wherever, so that people can sit and relax if they get tired of walking. And that building also there, that brown one, that is Save on Foods grocery stores. Yeah. I have some people here also. Some people. Canada is not overpopulated, especially in the province. Still lots of room here. Hello everyone, how are you guys? Yeah, see, it's nice, lots of bench that the person can sit and relax. If they get tired of booking, now I will sit for a while. I'm just showing you guys the city of Williams Lake, how it looks like. Have some birds here. Oh, cute dog. Cute dog. It's nice place. Nice place to relax and unwind. This park is at the back of the restaurant, grocery stores. Yeah, that's why some people, if they get tired, you know, they come here to sit and relax. They come here to sit and relax for a while. You know, if they're not busy, just something to do. Something to do. Something to do. Because if you have a kids and have a bike, the kids can bike here, have a trail. Now I will sit here for a while. That's a good exercise for me. That's a good exercise. Yeah, see here lots of benches here so that the person can sit and relax. It's a big park actually. It's a big park. Lots of birds. Okay. Sit for a while. That end one, that is an apartment building. That one, that is apartment building. And shortage of housing here. So that one, that building, used to be that is a mall. Now they're constructing it, making it as a housing because not much houses here. Lots of people moving here. Some they come from big places like Vancouver because the cost of living there is high in the price of the house. So they move here in the north. Hello everyone. I'm showing you guys the town of Williams Lake, British Columbia, Canada. This is the town. So if you are a Filipino looking for a reasonable price of house, check it out. This is the city of Williams Lake. kind of 7 hours to Vancouver. Yeah. This is Botanic Park. Botanic Park. Williams Lake, BC. Para header are staples in some you know, store, furniture store. Okay guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching.